Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. This is for Lisa. So in this video, I want to just share with you guys how you can decorate with Target Dollar Spot fall items. So as you know, I went to Target Dollar Spot and went crazy. I think I may have spent about 89 bucks at Target Dollar Spot. It's easy to do, especially when you're really feeling the items. So, and also, just so you know, last year I was only able to get 2 pumpkins from Target Dollar Spots because I started my channel probably around September, mid-September, and what I didn't even know Target Dollar Spot was such a hit. But once I found out about it, I'm just addicted. So last year I didn't get anything but 2 pumpkins because it was all picked over. But this year I caught the stockers while they were stocking the shelves, so I was able to just have my way, and that's what I did. Actually, I went 2 days in a row. But anyway, I just want to share with you guys how I would, or just give you some examples on how I would play around with my Target Dollar Spot items. I like to change around and redecorate a lot. You may come to my house one day and it'll be this way. You'll come the next day and it'll be that way. So I just like decorating. I just have fun with it. It's what makes me happy. It keeps my vibes good. It's just what I like to do. So I just love decorating. So if you're interested in seeing how I'm going to play around with my Target Dollar Spot items, just keep watching. So here's one way that I would play around with my Target Dollar Spot items. I actually took my Hello Fall sign and I have it sitting on top of a little small riser, and I'm going to take you guys just in a little bit closer. So you can see I have a couple of Dollar Tree pumpkins. I have some Dollar Tree floor that I've spray painted silver, in which I used in another video. I'm not sure if you've seen that already. I have a Target Dollar Spot spotted gray with spotted white glitter pumpkin. I have 2 candle holders that I purchased from Home Goods, and 2 gray candles in the tray, and a tray itself. And on the side of the tray I have 2 vases. So you can see the vases a little bit better. So these vases is what I call affordable. They came from affordable Z Gallery items. They came from Z Gallery. They were $29.99 per vase. So anyway, this is a way that I would play around with a few of the Target Dollar Spot items, and I think this is so cute. So basically all you need is a tray and your Target Dollar Spot items, and you could really have some fun decorating with those items such as this. Okay, so let's move on to the next example. So here's the next one. I took my gather sign, I took one of the pumpkins, and I just placed it inside of a tray along with some of my other decor pieces, and it looks so cute, don't you think? So basically what I'm going to do throughout this video, for the rest of the video, is just allow you to look at the different styles. I think I have maybe 2 more stylings after this one. Then I'm going to do a conclusion at the end. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave that since I was a little child. Every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile upon my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. I wonder where they're going, the flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing, but maybe someplace far from.
So you guys, I can go on and on and on. There's so many potentials, so many uses that you can get out of those Target Dollar Spot decor pieces. So I hope that you found this video very inspiring and that you now have some ideas on how you can actually use your Target Dollar Spot items. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye!